Okay, picture this. Scientists just 3D printed a teeny tiny elephant inside a living cell. Yeah, you heard that right. I'm talking about a 10 micrometer long elephant, smaller than a speck of dust, crafted inside the living goo of a cell. Wild, right? So how did they pull this off? It took some next-level laser wizardry called two-photon photolithography. In simple terms, they injected a special liquid polymer into a cell, then zapped it with a super-focused laser. Wherever two laser photons hit the polymer, it hardened into whatever shape they wanted, like, say, an adorable mini elephant. The rest of the goop just dissolved away. And get this, they didn't just make elephants. They also printed microscopic barcodes to label cells and even itty-bitty lasers that can make cells glow in different colors. Imagine being able to track and tag individual cells during an experiment, or color code them like your favorite folders. Now, not all the cells survived this microscopic makeover. About half made it through. Some of the survivors even divided and passed their new tattoo down to their daughter cells. Science just keeps leveling up. There are still hurdles, though. The materials are a bit toxic, and injecting them can hurt the cell membrane. But researchers are already cooking up gentler, hydrogel-based solutions so they can print bigger and more complex shapes anywhere in the cell. Why does this matter? Someday this tech could let us build living cells with custom parts or even new abilities. We're talking about the future of biology, where cells are not just alive, but also programmable. Mind blown, right? Mind blown